HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. It searches for a value in the top row of a range and returns a corresponding value from a row below. You provide the lookup value, the range, the row number, and whether to require an exact match. If found, it returns the data; if not, it shows an error. This formula searches for sales Q5 in the top row of the range M5 to Q9. It looks specifically in that row and retrieves the value from the third row of the specified range. The false parameter ensures that the search requires an exact match. If sales Q5 is found, the corresponding value from the third row will be returned; if not, it will result in an error. If you changed sales Q5 to sales Q3, the formula will search for sales Q3 and return the corresponding value from the third row if found; otherwise, it will show an error. This formula performs a horizontal lookup for sales Q3 in the range N5 to Q9. The match function finds the position of the value in Q23 within the range M6 to M9. It returns the row number where the match occurs. This row number is then used in the HLOOKUP to retrieve the corresponding value from the specified row. The false parameter ensures the match must be exact. Changing product C to product B in Q23 will make the match function find product B in M6 to M9. This position will be used in HLOOKUP to retrieve the value for sales Q3.